Today I'm going to show you the solution to the green light line puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2. And this puzzle is inside level 32. And the puzzle is actually in this cupboard, so I'll tap on the cupboard and then tap on that door and then press on that wooden piece and tap again. And there we go, play this game. And the idea is to connect up that green line down to the green line down below. So what we need to do then is, or what I need to do, is to put one there like that, and one straight across like so. One down, turning around, and then another one down like so. And then to there, and then to there, and then I'll put the last one in, which is going to solve this puzzle. And once I do that, then the green line runs from the top part right down to the bottom part, like so. And then once you've solved that puzzle, then you can tap on this this code board, and there's your code 7895, which I found earlier, 7895, and enter, and that gives me the key which will open the door to solve this room. Okay, well, hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.